Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to connect your Gmail account to Zapier so you can automate tasks and save valuable time. First, open your web browser and go to zapier.com, then log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up for free. Next, from your Zapier dashboard, click the Create Zap button at the top left. In the search bar under Trigger, type Gmail and select it from the list of apps. Now, you'll see a prompt to sign into your Gmail account. Click Sign In and a Google login page will appear. Enter your Gmail credentials, choose the account you want to connect and allow Zapier the required permissions. This step is important as it enables Zapier to read and send emails on your behalf for the automation process. Once connected, you can select a trigger event such as new email, new label. Then click Continue to set up the trigger options like filtering by labels or folders. After that, test the connection to make sure Zapier can retrieve your Gmail data successfully. If the test passes, you are ready to connect it to any other app and build your workflow. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.